In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find what is trending on X or Twitter in other countries. So it's very much simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do this. So now launch your account like this or launch your app like this. So after launching your app, just tap on the search button you see down here. So just tap on that. So good, it's going to take some time to load. So on here, you just move to your settings here, tap on the settings button there. Good. So after tapping on the settings button there, here you tap on the explore location. So you can see this is my current location here. So let's say I want to know what is trending in Nigeria. So now let me come here and let me search the country. So let me search Nigeria here. Good. So I select Nigeria here and good, I'm done. Now I come back here and then I refresh my feed and you're going to see it's going to change. So now I come back here to my search. Now let me come back once again. So now just like you can see here, after changing my country to Nigeria, you can see my trending stuff are after changing my location to Nigeria, so now you can see here, you can see my trending side, it's all Nigeria. So these are trending stuff in Nigeria. So that's it on how you can find what's trending in different countries on Twitter or X. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.